Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronke, and if you've never come to my channel before, then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a very bright sunny look, and I'm hoping that it brings a little bit of sunshine into your life. So without further ado, let's get on to the future subscription. Wow, hold up. If you haven't already, subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. Join the family, like this video, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share with your friends. You know, bring a little bit of sunshine in everybody's life. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. Today I'm going to jump in right to the brows first, and I know that's something that I actually don't do on my channel a lot. I actually do my face first, and then I, do my brows after. But today, because I want to do a very colorful, very plain with color kind of look, I'm going to be doing my brows first. This is why I never used to do my brows first in the first place. I don't really like the greasiness. I'm gonna put a bit of powder on my brow. You guys know that I haven't recorded in 2 weeks. Honestly, I haven't been really inspired lately. That's the truth. And the way YouTube is sometimes, it's like, I really wanted to do the whole, like, I tried following tutorial, but it's already passed. But if you guys want me to do one, like I tried following somebody's makeup tutorial, let me know in the comments down below who you want me to try, and yeah, maybe I'll do one. But anyway, just to kind of put some more inspiration back, is I'm going to be doing most of the makeup tutorials I do this week is going to be inspired by my beret. I have a lot of berets, honestly, and I think that this could possibly go on forever, but I just want to bring some more inspiration back, and I kind of want to use this to inspire myself and as well as inspire you guys. So let me know what color you want to see next. I basically have a lot of berets, maybe like 11. Okay, I don't know what the heck just happened when my brows got real thick. My God, my brows look crazy. Wow. This is probably the thickest I've done my brows in a while, and it's scary. I'm gonna use Soft Ochre by MAC. I don't know why I'm using so much product today. What's going on? Don't do a tutorial for a while, and now you just come back and you're so heavy-handed. I blended that out. I'm going to set it with powder immediately. This is so not how I usually do my makeup, but okay, I'm going with it. So I'm gonna set it with powder. The Zulu palette by Juvias. I'm gonna be using this yellow shade since I'm wearing yellow, and my little orange earrings. So I'm going to really saturate the brush with that orange shade. Did I say orange? Oh my goodness, yellow. So a lot of times with yellow, you have to be careful, because what can happen is, like, you can over blend it, and when you put other colors, it won't show. And I'm using the Makeup Addiction diffused blender. Now I'm going to use the contoured blender, which is this brush by Makeup Addictions, and I'm going to use orange. I'm going to make a little bit of a halo eye, so I'm going to pack that orange on the outer and inner corner. Then I'm going to cut the middle with concealer. It's a smaller brush. This is the Precision Shader brush by Makeup Addictions. I'm going to use a flat brush. Spray. Then I'm going to use the Stila This is Rose Gold Retro. It's a liquid pigment. Is that in the middle? And just basically put that everywhere that I can see needs color correcting, which is basically most of my face right now. It might have pigmentation and stuff like that, but I've started trying to take care of it, so hopefully it goes down. But my skin was not like this before, if you guys know. Don't want to put too much. That's past much. This particular color corrector, the reason why I'm able to put this much is because when it blends out, it's not hard to blend out. But if you're using a color corrector that's a dark orange, whew, get ready to just blend it out with any brush. But how I like to blend it out is I like to pat it in. So now you can see that my skin is very even. It's this evenness that will give your foundation a nice look. So obviously we all want like a very nice look. So I'm back to using my trusty old MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. That name will forever be the longest name of foundation I've ever heard in my life. But I really like this foundation because it is nice and it lasts all day for me, and yeah. I like the way this foundation looks when you use a brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab that on. Things look good here. Just trying to make sure I blend it all out properly. And then I usually like to go over it with a sponge. This is the Makeup Addiction. Really love that it comes in this holder. Like, wow, I like it. Actually a little bit bigger than the Beauty Blender, so I kind of like it. Yeah, I really like it. You know, nice cute holder. I have started mixing two concealers. This is the Bobbi Brown Instant Full Coverage Concealer. I mix golden and natural tan, so this is golden. And I love to put on my highlight with a brush. This is the Makeup Addiction Large Shader Brush. I'm gonna use this to place my concealer. What I like to do is add the concealer and bring it a little bit close to my nose, so that way I don't really have to contour. So I bring it right here. So instead of just putting the concealer here, I put it right here. And I've also noticed that this gives your face more of a cohesive look at the end of the application.
He's have to tell them something. Can they hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, so our squad. So I got here around 2:30. Now it's 4:03. Crap. You can't see the time. Now it's 4:03. I don't care, still here.